Hi everyone, Daily Crafted here. I was I had recorded this unboxing, although I had to move the camera up because the painting was so big that for some reason my camera kept glitching. But I wanted to make sure that you got to see the beautiful little tin soldier from Diamond Art Club and all the beautiful colors and just the amazing flowing dress. And this painting has AB diamonds in it as well in the dress. So my apologies for not getting the unboxing, but I wanted to make sure you saw the colors. I'm trying to think of 10 different things at the same time. So this is also purchased as the possibility of a gift. I have to kind of test the waters with my potential recipient of the gift and see if they're up for doing the diamond painting. They've never done diamond painting before, so I kind of have to test the waters for it. But I think if they were to, have enough time before Christmas, they might enjoy it for their Christmas decor. So with the Diamond Art Clubs, of course, they come with the instructions and the store flyer here as well. As they also include the little strip with the DMC numbers and symbols. So I know a lot of people are getting the sticker maker. It's X something, and I can't recall the name. I can't believe Xyron, I think, sticker maker, and they can cut these out and make the stickers into labels for their containers, so for their drill containers. So that makes it nice. And I'm going to put this over here because I'm probably going to turn the painting sideways. But once again, I wanted to make sure and show you all these gorgeous drills, all these beautiful colors that are in this. And so there are some AB that are in it. So if you can see, those yellows are AB coated, which is AB stands for Aurora Borealis coating on them. And it looks like they go into part of her dress here to really just make that shine. And I do apologize for the little band-aid on my thumb. I got a little too excited about putting Easter dinner things away. And the drills are just sparkly in general anyway. That was so bad. Let me turn them over this way. Okay, so we got the ABs there, and then got these other colors. Just absolutely gorgeous colors in this painting. I love this painting. I've looked at this for myself as well. But this is the second of the 3 paintings that I ordered. So I'll just put that there. There are a couple of stowaways in that one. That's all good. It's all good. No worries. Okay. I'm just fumbling today. But you can see how colorful and festive this painting is going to be. Just absolutely gorgeous. And I think I'm not sure if this one here has the coating. No, I think it's just sparkly maybe. I didn't bring the glasses up. Maybe that's why I'm having some challenges. And then with the way this is done with the stained glass look. There are some 310s, but once again, that's what gives it that beautiful stained glass look with 310s. And then there are 939s and 898s and 301s. Yeah, so this is I believe more towards the holiday type painting, because it does have holly here and there, and it has like a little mistletoe up there and a little holly decoration in each corner, but it is very festive, and there are snowflakes as well. But I think you could get away with hanging this up for all year round. It is absolutely stunning though. I love the little tin soldier and with the beautiful dress. And once again, this was purchased as a potential gift, and if they don't seem to have time to do it, I'll be more than happy to. It's gorgeous, and I'll keep it for our house. But I would not be surprised if they fell in love with it as much as I did. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and move the diamonds here so you can get a little bit of an idea of the entire painting. Even with moving my camera up, it doesn't quite get all of it in. So I know that is sideways, but at least you can see the entire painting. And this size is 55 centimeters by 73 centimeters, and once again the name of it is The Little Tin Soldier. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed seeing all the colors and got a good giggle out of my inability to hold on to things. But once, look at that, just amazing. All right, I will talk with you guys later. There is a third painting that I do need to unbox for you, and everybody have a great day. Bye.